Good morning, my amazing minions, and welcome back to my channel. On today's episode of Gains by Julie, because I decided that's what my fitness videos are going to be called from now on, we're going to be talking about how I split my workouts throughout the week and the routine I have every single time that I walk into the gym to stay motivated. So let's start off with how many times a week I work out. I work out 5 times a week. Doesn't matter whether it's Monday through Friday, doesn't matter whether it's Wednesday through Sunday. I just work out 5 days a week. I work out 5 days a week straight and then rest the last 2 days. During my first 5 days of working out, I eat healthy, I stay consistent, and I split my workouts with a different body part. My last 2 rest days, I do nothing. Like, I try to do no exercise whatsoever, really rest, get a good night's rest, and I get my cheat meals in those days as well. But during my 5 days where I do work out, I do eat super clean. I eat my 3 meals, which is breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I have my protein, and I also have like 1 or 2 snacks throughout the day. But let's talk about how I split my 5 days of workouts. First day that I work out, I'll work out legs. I usually do a quad and calf focused workout. Sometimes I'll mix and match the parts of the leg, like my quads. I can do my quads and my glutes, or I'll do my hamstrings and my calves. I'll switch it up every 2 weeks just because your body does get used to your routines. So just for the purpose of this video, on the first day I would do calves and quads. On the second day of working out, I'll do back and maybe biceps. Again, you can switch it up however you like, but I'll do upper body on my second day. On the third day, I'll do lower body again, and it can just be my glutes and abs. Going on to my third day, I would like to do shoulders, chest, and even some biceps. But again, I'll switch it up when it comes to upper body, just like I switch it up when it comes to my lower body. And then on my 5th day, I'll do another leg workout, which will be my hamstrings and then my glutes again. That's kind of the routine that I have going on lately, but like I said, every 2 weeks I do tend to change up what part of the body that it is that I'm working on, but it's always the first day, legs, second day, upper body, usually back, third day, again, legs, 4th day, upper body, and 5th day, legs again. But every single day is a different body isolation. The routine I have every single time I go to the gym is fairly the same. The first thing I do when I walk into the gym is I get all of my fitness gear in order, depending on what I'm doing that day. Second, I go straight to any cardio machine. So since I work out 5 days a week, I'll try to use a different type of cardio machine every single day. Let it be the Stairmaster one day, the elliptical the next day, the bike the next day, and then any other type of cardio machine that is out there. I'll do 10 to 15 minutes on any cardio machine as a warm-up. So then after I get my warm-up done in any cardio machine, I go straight to doing my HIIT exercises. Most of the time, once my HIIT is done, I'm dying. But it's a really good way to have your heart pumping and your muscles ready for any type of intense workout you have ready for that day. So when it comes to HIIT, I'll try to pick 4 to 5 exercises that I'm going to do, 30 seconds each for every single exercise, and I'll repeat it about 3 times. I'll take whatever exercise I used and I'll try to use it throughout my whole week of training. Sometimes I'll tweak it a little bit just because I want to activate certain types of muscles depending on what I'm working on that day. After my HIIT, I'll just do some basic stretches, make sure that I'm not too tight to start my exercises, that I'm good and my heart is still pumping, but that I feel good. Once I've finished stretching, I go straight into my workout. And then come the next day, I'll do the same thing. Cardio, HIIT, stretch, exercise. 4 routines to kind of stay motivated. My main thing for anyone who wants to stay motivated at the gym is literally have a plan. Have a plan that works for you. Have a plan that keeps you motivated, and have a plan that kind of isolates you from everybody else and, you know, gives you that tunnel vision to do exactly what it is you're at the gym to do and walk out successful. I know this is such a short video, but that is it for this video. It was just a very big requested video on my Instagram, just because a lot of people have asked me, you know, how do you stay motivated? How do you work out 5 days a week? What is your schedule like? And how do you go through your schedule? I hope this video was very informative. I hope this video helps you guys kind of map out how to work out, or gives you the motivation of how to work out and stay consistent. That is pretty much it for this video. I know it's super short, but I hope it was super informative. If you guys have any other questions of how I work out, definitely leave it in the comment box below. Don't forget to follow me on all my other social medias, subscribe to my channel, and give me those thumbs up. But that is it for this video. I hope it was short, sweet, and informative, and I will talk to you guys next Monday. Love you. Bye.